check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1997 Ford F-250 HD extended cab long box 4x4, 7.3 liter diesel underneath the hood, 5-speed manual transmission with overdrive. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Just a little over 95,000 is all in this one. Take a look at the front chrome, grille, headlights. Now there are some things I'll kind of point out in the black as we go around. It did have a bug shield on it once upon a time, so it's got a little bit of a rub mark on that front hood where the bug shield was. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. If you want to check out the still pictures of this truck, there'll be over 100 of them on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you want to just go right to our website, check out those still pictures. If you're seeing this on YouTube, see the polished wheels. You can always call us 507-386-1726. Now it is black, and it's a 97. It's going to have some imperfections in the paint. It's got a few of these kind of on the door. You can see here, there's one there, and there's one little one back there. Now, this truck spent the majority of its life on the West Coast, a lot of time out Oregon and Washington, I believe it was. So take a look around the wheel wells, lower rockers. You can see, did not spend much time in the Midwest. You know what trucks look like that have spent a lot of time, especially out in the colder months. You can see lower rockers around the wheel wells. And paint shows nice. I mean, it's got a nice shine to it. It's just there's spots you might have a little touch up here and there. That one. But overall, the paint does show well. Set up for pulling, that 5-speed manual and the diesel. The fifth wheel plate back here, as well as a bed liner. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the rear. Chrome bumper and of course a receiver for a smaller trailer. Need an 1 7/8, 2-inch ball. Both tanks, front and rear, you can see by the fuel doors. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. You want to check out the undersides, interior, engine bay. We'll start it up at the end of the video here. I want to let you hear it run at least. We are indoors, so I'm not going to run it a real long time in here. Get it outside. Well, let's take a listen to it. Let's take a look at these lower rockers. Again, up and above the wheel wells. All the way down the driver's side. A touch-up spot here. And once again, you can see the paint has a nice shine reflection in it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Split bench seat up front. Power windows, power locks. Door panels, nice shape. Armrests. And seats are really free of any major rips, tears, or holes, anything like that. Do have the armrest folded down, but you'd have the center seating area, and then of course rear seat. And you'll be able to see that all in the still pictures. Headliner looking good. Show you the exact miles here. Radio works, AC I mentioned does blow cold, power windows, power locks, all working. There's the exact miles, 95,680. You see that? There you go. And we're going to come back and start that here in just a second. I did pop the hood. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll check out the engine bay, do it a little different. I'm going to start it up, so you can hear it running, kind of do a quick little video with it running. So hold on, let me get the engine bay. Underside of the hood. And here it is, again, 7.3 liter. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Know of every angle of this in the still pictures. Batteries tested good, dual batteries. Of course, turbo. All right, so let's go ahead and start this. I left the key on, so we're good with glow plug. All right. There you can see, no warning indicators, anything like that on. And that was a cold start. Don't expect that temperature gauge to be up. Here's the other gauges are working. Also the tach. '97 Ford F-250 HD extended cab, long box, 4x4, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over, what was it, 95,680. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube, so we can take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1997 Ford F-250. As you can probably hear, this is a diesel. Hear the turbo. It's a 5-speed manual. Good power, as you would expect from a diesel. Straight down the road, no pull either direction. Cruise control does function. Our oil pressure is right in the middle of the gauge. The battery is a little over half. Fuel is just under half. The tachometer is working. And the speedometer is working. It's showing 95,678 miles.
This station invites you to enjoy the
The
spring.
radio does function. We've got power windows, farm implements. We're gonna have to hang out here for a second. Our blower motor works. This is a 4-wheel drive. Super cab or extra cab pickup. So you've got the little seat in the back. Really nice looking black pickup. One of the last years for the square looking body, which I actually like. Very good runner, easy to shift, nice clutch feel. Test the wipers there. They do work well. Comfortable cloth seats with a fold-up storage center in the middle. Check out this 97 Ford F-250 at uniqueclassiccars.com.